this performance, we come to the end of the show today. So, ಈ ನೃತ್ಯ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಇಂದಿನ ಈ ನೃತ್ಯ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಅಂತ್ಯವಾಗಿದೆ. So when I was trying to give introduction about Panchali Dev Verma, I asked her about all her achievements and all, and I was also curious to know the list of awards that she had secured, but she was so humble, I had to pester her throughout the show to know the list of the award that she has got. So it is really, truly an honor to read out the list itself. So she is awarded with Tilak Maji Award, Dada Saheb Phalke Award for Art and Culture, Rashtriya Prerana Award, and Sangeet Natak Academy Award, North Zone Cultural Award, and Bangladesh has also honored her. And when National Folk Dance Festival happened here in Bidar, so there also she was awarded, and Global Shanti Samman Award she has got from the government of Kashmir, and Nari Shakti Sanman has also come in her way. So it's truly an honor to have her here, and now I request Panchali Dev Verma to come on the stage with her team. Please give them a big round of applause. Now I request Srimati Panchali Dev Sharma to introduce the team and speak a few words.
इस प्रेक्षागृह में उपस्थित सभी दर्शकों को हमारे त्रिपुरा के स्टेट के तरफ से सभी को तहे दिल से शुक्रिया एंड नमन करते हैं, क्योंकि आप लोगों ने इतने धैर्य धर के हम लोगों का ये प्रोग्राम को देखा है. पता नहीं आप लोगों को कितना हम लोग आनंद दे पाए. हमारे अधिकारी हुकुम बदल हम लोग का इस संस्था का नाम है. हम लोग चाहते हैं कि आप लोगों का सभी का आशीर्वाद रहे, आगे और बढ़े, और आशा है कि आप सभी को हम लोग का अधिकारी हुकुम बदल का आज जो प्रस्तुति है पसंद आया. पता नहीं आप लोगों को कितना हम लोग दे पाए, कोशिश किया हम लोग जितने देने के लिए. थैंक यू.